Alright, today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to make a switchblade knife thingy out of some connect building pieces. You get these at the store or online, about $16, 500 pieces.
Or 400.
Alright, first you'll need round one. Then you'll need two smaller ones. Then connect them in the little holes in the bottom. You should have something like this. Has holes coming out the side. Then you will need about 4 of these. Four of those. Now you connect 4 of these to it going around. Should be a little bit floppy and able to fall off. Then you grab some more of these and put it on all of them. Well, 4 of them. Stop, man. Watch me, I'm murder you later. So you need one big long one. Put it on here. It can always do that last, but I like doing it first. Then you take some more of these. About 4. And connect them onto here. Connect them onto the white pieces. Make sure they face in 2 different directions like this. Like you need one facing the same direction. And then the next one facing the same direction like this. See? You should have something like this. Should be a little bit floppy. That's okay. Then what you need to do is grab some more of those. Grab 2 of these. Let's see. Hold on. Let's work. Grab 2 of these. First, put them in here. So, put the parts in here so they're stable. And then, so they're stable, so the pieces won't fall out. Like, so it's stable. So, yeah, not going nowhere. Do it with the same side. Wait, hold on for a second. Better now. So you have these done. Just gonna add these onto here. Right there in the middle where the gap is. Should be some space down here left. 3 of them. Same thing with this side. Open it up. And yeah, hold on. There we go. Got it now. Starting to look like it, cause and you will need 4 of these blue pieces. Attach them down here. See? Got your handle now. Hold it from. Nice. And if you want, put some extra pieces on the bottom, but finish the first one. Good. Pretty fun to play with. Able to move around, close up, open up. Fun.
You can do a lot of things with it.
Fun to flip it around, switch it. Alright, time to make the next one. Watch me use the next one. A round piece. Alright, hold on. This. So you have an end of the piece right here. Take two of these, put it on one side. You put this in there now. Connect the other side onto it. Let's see. Just so we can spin around. Then you need two more of those. Put them on here. Then put one right around here. Third two. Just use this as an example. Want to look at it, try to make it. Push in these. Alright. See, like that. So it stops right here when you have the rubber band on it. By the way, you need a rubber band to make it fly up and down. That's what gives it that action. Need two more of these. So you level it out to about there. Need one of these pieces. It's kind of hard to find, but it's really small. Fits onto like this, like clips on. Kind of hard to take off, but still works. Then you need a round piece. You slide this piece into here. Lock it in. So it's good now. Fold it down to make sure it fits. Then take two more of these and build it up so it'll get longer, so it can hold this in there so you can't see the thing. This one I didn't make this long enough, but that's why I know how to make it. So just grab two more pieces, add them on both sides. Add on the pieces. Yep, something like that. If you have one of these extra pieces left over, take off one side, put it right in between there. Keeps it from buckling in and breaking easy. Then put the piece over it. Strong now. Then take a piece, put it on the back. And then you're done with the body. Now all you need is 2 rubber bands. Depends on how much you want to put on there. How fast you want it to go. I want mine to go like boom. How fast you want it to go. See? Can't do it by itself, so take the rubber bands. Yeah. Take rubber bands, put it over this white piece, like into one of the gaps, then under the white piece. Should make it stand up. Put it in the back. Take one more of these pieces. Put it like on the side or the front. Put it like around here somewhere. You can angle it front ways or just stand it up. I like it standing up. Then take one of these pieces and put it on the back, just in case it starts to fold in. It locks it in. Take a piece like this, or like some other piece. Anything that goes across, anything that can go across here that you can slide out. I like this piece because it's small and easy to move with a finger. So you just snap it on there. Moves out of the way. Opens it up. Alright, show you. Just put this down. See, just easy to unfold. Folds out. See? It gives it that, the rubber band gives it that spring action, so it flies up. See? Yes. And that's how you make Connect knives. Use this as a slingshot too if you put something on yours. Fire the cannons. Done.